Okay.
My name is Nick Henderson. I've just graduated from the University of Dundee with a first in American Studies, and I've been working for the last 2 months at Young Scot in Edinburgh. And my project was to undertake a carbon footprint analysis of kind of all aspects of the organisation. So that involved kind of raking through receipts and credit card statements and purchase ledgers and all sorts of stuff to get kind of work out all the carbon footprint for the travel, for the commuter travel, and then investigate some of the kind of big spends that they had, so such as things like printing and catering, that sort of stuff, to really get a good robust kind of figure for what their carbon footprint is and pass it up to management, so then they can kind of use those figures in their kind of day-to-day decision making and kind of think about the environmental impact of the decisions that they make. So my placement really overall was just to kind of help them make more informed decisions of the carbon impact of what Young Scot does.